Go.
Hi guys, so this is the VSU Visayas State University's page 2. It's called The Search for Truth, and it was during the term of the founding president Fernando A. Bernardo in June 1983. This page 2 is, we call this si Malakas at si Maganda. But this is called the Search for Truth because it says, let's search for truth prevail as a dominant activity of university life. For truth is the outstanding light in our paramount vision, the pursuit of excellence. So, a teacher must foster intellectual curiosity among students and train them in the art and science of searching for truth to achieve excellence, whether in the classroom, in the laboratory, in nature, or in society. He who does less is not worthy of this profession. And indeed, we grew up searching for truth. So this is Malakas at Maganda. Very back to nature, as in bare truth. Malakas, and they are holding si Malakas ay holding a light.
Light. Torch,
Searching for a torch.
Yeah, that's a torch.
Searching
That's a
for
torch.
truth. Bare truth. Unadulterated truth. Wow.
So guys, come here in the Visayas State University. See? Because you can see the administration building over here. This was born before, but now it's covered. Before it's a college, now it's a university. So come here now and enroll here in Visayas State University. Thank you and God bless to all.